Good morning and welcome. This is Intercampus project.
Thank you all very much for hearing us today. Before we start, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Alfredo, and this is my partner Marco, and these are our teammates from Campus Veracruz.
Hi, I am Martin Lagunes.
My name is Jael Loyo, and we are from Campus Veracruz.
The purpose of this presentation is to explain all the information we have collected in the last month.
During this video, we're going to talk about a worldwide recognized company, which has a high economic impact in Mexico and currently is considered as a leader in the area of construction.
Yes, we are talking about Cemento Mexicanos, better known as CEMEX, one of the most successful companies in our country. In our presentation, we aim to do 7 things. First, we will tell you why we chose this company.
Then we will say you where and when was the company founded, who are the owners, their main products, how is the manufacturing process, where are the products distributed and sold, and finally, if these products are good or bad for our health.
Let's move to the first point.
We choose this company because my partners Marco, Alfredo, and I are student civil engineer. We think that make our investigation about a company that is very related with our career could be enriching to our knowledge, and that is the reason of our decision.
CEMEX is currently the second largest cement company in the world, only behind LafargeHolcim. So, how this Mexican company became so successful?
Well, CEMEX was founded with the opening of Cementos Hidalgo in 1906. Meanwhile, Cementos Portland Monterrey began operations in 1920, and in 1931, the two companies merged, becoming Cementos Mexicanos, now CEMEX. In the 1960s, CEMEX grew significantly when it acquired several more plants throughout Mexico. In 1976, became the largest cement producer in Mexico with the purchase of 3 plants from Cementos Guadalajara. The company made significant progress in overseas markets, doubling its exports. Other acquisitions of Mexican cement companies were made in 1989, making CEMEX one of the 10 largest cement companies in the world. CEMEX is a global building materials company that provides high-quality products and reliable service to customers and communities throughout the Americas, Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Their operation network produces, distributes, and markets cement, ready-mix concrete, aggregates, and building materials in more than 50 countries and maintains trade relationships in more than 100 nations.
CEMEX is a Mexican multinational building material company headquartered in San Pedro Garcia near Monterrey, Mexico. It manufactures and distributes cement, ready-mix concrete, and aggregates in more than 50 countries. Today, it is the second worldwide largest building materials company. Lorenzo Zambrano was the chairman and managing director of CEMEX until his death in 2015. After this, the board of directors of CEMEX held an extraordinary meeting to appoint the new captains after the untimely death of Lorenzo Zambrano. So the board of directors decided that Fernando González Oliveri will serve as the CEO of the company and Rogelio Zambrano Lozano will serve as the chairman of the board of directors.
CEMEX main products are aggregates and type of cement like hydraulic, aesthetic, durable, and acoustic, and the ready-mix concrete that is the most famous one.
Now I'm gonna talk to you about manufacturing process. How cement is made. Cement is a gray powder that mainly mixes clinker, limestone, and glycol waste. This limestone has a high mineral content and is removed from the ground. Then it is transported in rocks from the place of removal to a cement plant, where these are crushed, ground, and mixed with other materials. This process, a powder is baked at a high temperature is obtained, When the powder is heated, it becomes small rocks that they call clinker, which is then cooled, pulverized and mixed with other minerals, and so becomes the fine powder we know as cement.
Where are the products distributed and sold? CEMEX currently operates on 4 continents, with more than 60 cement plants, 200 ready-mix concrete facilities, 400 quarries, 260 distribution centers, and 80 marine terminals.
CEMEX has developed several educational and social responsibility initiatives.
For example, it instituted the Premio Obras CEMEX, an annual award that recognizes works in the fields of sustainability, accessibility, construction, and architecture. Also, it funded Cátedra Blanca, a project which consists on giving architecture courses in 3 universities: Tecnológico de Monterrey, the Universidad Iberoamericana, and the Barcelona School of Architecture. And finally, it is important to mention that CEMEX created the Centro CEMEX Tecnológico de Monterrey, which is a research and development program for sustainable communities through the award CEMEX Tech.
Another important point is that this Mexican company has a workforce of 44,000 employees.
Around the history, CEMEX presents few problems, mostly with the United States Environment Protection Agency (EPA), as some of their plants are accused for the violation of radio regulation in some states. These problems do not interfere in the quality of products; they are only problems with the manufacturing process. These products are very important and useful for our lifestyle, but they will affect human health if one of us intakes cement or another construction materials because they have different injurious substances that can attack directly our well-being.
After this investigation, we think that CEMEX is an excellent and successful company.
In the project arise some problems with sharing the video, but we consult them because we really want to talk about the CEMEX and how important it is in the world.
We would like that more companies in Mexico could take CEMEX like a model to their operations. This could be awesome to increase the economy in our country.
And finally, we were satisfied with Intercampus communication and the teamwork we made.
Thank you for your attention.